Namaskar. It is truly humbling to speak of the Mahatma Gandhi, the great soul, coming from an ordinary person and talking about such an exceptional person who created such an strong impression and impact on global society. It is indeed very humbling. Mahatma Gandhi could not have been associated more with any other country other than India. If any person represented the complete values that India is known for, it is Mahatma Gandhi. His his vision of tolerance, his vision of equality, his vision of simplicity, his vision of complete respect for human beings, the respect for nature, respect for the animal life, that is brings together the great ways of thinking that Indian philosophers and saints have been known for. So it is really the land of India which could give birth to such a great person. At the same time, Mahatma Gandhi, he spent many years in United Kingdom, in South Africa, and of course he returned back to India from South Africa. I had a chance to visit South Africa also, and it's really amazing that he is claimed by so many countries as their own. And Mahatma Gandhi has inspired also Nelson Mandela. So this really speaks volumes about this great man who was truly a universal figure. In more recent times, you've had global statesmen, world statesmen. President Obama, for instance, has mentioned about drawing inspiration from Mahatma Gandhi. So, a really exceptional person, a wonderful example of what a human being should aspire to. As time went by, we have found that Mahatma Gandhi's message has in fact become more relevant. Today we talk about climate change, we talk about excessive exploitation of resources, wasteful consumption, and it's really amazing to think that Mahatma Gandhi said it all so many years back, the virtues of simple living. Of course, he's best known for his message of non-violence in today's world where there are tensions, there is terrorism, there's violence, injustice. There's more need to go back to the drawing board and remember what Mahatma Gandhi said, what he taught us, and the example he set for us, and follow that. So the world will be a much happier place, a much gentler place, and we will fulfill the kind of human aspirations that each one of us has. So let us celebrate 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi by rededicating our lives to serve humanity, to deal with all problems, all issues with compassion, with love. Let us show love to each other. Let us also practice simple living. Let us respect all creatures, whether it's a human being or it's an animal or any most or birds, valuing life. Let us avoid wasteful consumption. Let us go back to the kind of our roots where this simple village communities existed and everyone respected everyone else. So that is something that will help a lot in transforming the world. So this is one occasion, one day on the eve of 2nd October, as we rededicate ourselves to Mahatma Gandhi and his life. Let me wish each one of you happiness, peace, and good health. Dhanyavad.